Hi, I'm Zach from the audio research team at Stability. Let's talk about how fast generation means fast exploration and how different audio over the same visual can change the general vibe. This is the clip we'll work with. Let's start with a shoegazy, synth, direction, dreamy, and hazy. And here's what it sounds like. Now let's try something ethereal and neoclassical. Airy strings and piano. Calm and uplifting. And finally, let's lean into something more drony. Textured, cinematic drone with some evolving bass tones. Personally, I like the second one. What do you think?